Kimbap is a Korean traditional food. It is called Kimbap because in Korea, seaweeds means kim and rice means bap. And so Korean combined the words, so it began to called Kimbap. And actually it was for a fisherman because it is easy to make it and comfortable to eat. And it started to be popular when the Korea was in 1928 because of the simple gimbap. In the simple gimbap's ingredients were kim, rice, eggs, hams, and vegetables. So let's start to make it. We need some materials to make a kimbap. First, we need gloves. And second, we need the knife to cut the kimbap. And third, we need sticky rice to make a kimbap. And we need bamboo mat to spread out the kim. Then we need kim to make it roll. And we need ingredients to make it more delicious. And last, we need carrots. So I will make a kimbap and please follow me. Thank you. So first, we need to spread out the kim on the bamboo mat. Next, we need sticky rice to spread it out on kimbap. And you need to be careful because you just need to spread out more than half of the kimbap. So let's try it. And when you're spreading out the rice, you need to do it stronger as you can. Okay, let's start. First is eggs, and you need to put here. Next is kani, and you just can line up. Next is a ham, and last is vegetables. Now we will start to roll, but you need to be careful because it can be scratched out. So let's start. Now the kimbap is finished. This is two ways to eat. First is cutting, and second is without cutting. We'll try two ways, and first is cutting. So I finished the product. So I will tell you the taste. First, slice this. I think it's small. I think it's small, so I can enjoy more. Next is without cutting, and I will tell you the taste more than this. I think this is more heavier and thicker, and I think it will take long time than this to eat. So, did you understand how to make a kimbap. So did you understand how to make a kimbap? And try it again, and I hope you enjoy it. Bye bye.